Operation explanation. Hello everyone, my name is Multifunctional Water Squeegee Cart, a great tool for cleaning small spaces and bathrooms. As the best-selling model among Jinyijie products, energy, saving, environmental protection, safety, convenience, and multifunction are synonymous with me. First of all, I save water very much. 1 bucket of water can be used as 3 buckets of water. Because of my filter, it can effectively filter out sediment. When the cleaning staff washes the mop, this can reduce the frequency of water replacement by the cleaning staff, thus saving time and effort. Besides, my safety factor is very high. My 2 side ears can tightly clasp the car body to ensure that the front of the water squeezer is more stable and does not shake. The body adopts a trapezoidal funnel-type splash-proof design to prevent water from splashing onto cleaning personnel. In order to achieve zero interference operation in special environments, my wheels adopt silent universal wheels, and the 2 rear wheels are brake wheels. With the brakes on, I couldn't run around that wheel, especially in maternal and child health hospitals. It would be too dangerous if you bump into children or pregnant women. It is no longer necessary to use the human body to stabilize the car during the water extraction process. Squeeze, 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 safe and convenient. The polyester and brocade long hair hood can be used to mop or sweep the floor, and the garbage will follow the mop. The dust hood can clean a large floor area, and the cleaning efficiency is significantly improved. See my unique little tail. This is the drain pipe. Cleaning staff can place it directly at the floor drain to accurately discharge sewage to the floor drain. No more scraping overflowing sewage into the floor drain. Much more convenient and easier. Most of our cleaning staff are over 50 years old and have minor problems with their shoulders and lumbar spine. They will quit the job because they are overworked. Drainage in this way eliminates the need for the cleaning staff to hold buckets and pour water. Here's the important thing, I can also match it with 3 small buckets of red, yellow and blue. The blue bucket is placed above and behind the cart. Put a little water inside for towel cleaning, then put them into small square boxes. Each box can hold 5 towels of 30 centimeters. Blue towels for cleaning common areas, yellow towel to clean cross-infection areas. The small yellow bucket is placed in front to store the water, applicator, glass scraper, watering can and other tools we need. The small red bucket is placed at the bottom of the bag to hold garbage. It can also be used to recycle dirty towels after use. A quick connect aluminum rod can be snapped into the side. 1 pole for multiple purposes can connect all quick connect tools. The compact dustpan sweeper makes it easy to collect debris on the floor. Trash can be dumped into the nearest trash can. The multifunctional water press truck makes cleaning small spaces no longer a problem. Parameters and design concepts. Product name: Multifunctional water press truck. Usage: suitable for cleaning office buildings and bathrooms. That is why it has called a new solution for building cleaning. Color: red, yellow, blue and green. Features: compact body, flexible walking, multiple function combinations for use.